Connect the Y-axis left module and Y-axis right module to the front module respectively. Use the corresponding screws and screwdrivers. Connect the Y-axis left module and Y-axis right module to the rear module respectively. Slide both sides of the machine to the bottom and press down the corresponding holes at both ends of the X-axis module. Align the screw holes on both sides and tighten the long screws respectively. Connect the cable to the left port. Insert the cable into the port on the front module. Loosen the handle screw, and tighten the handle screw after installing the laser module. The module height can be any. Insert the module power cord. Select the corresponding screws to connect the left and right panels and the rear panel of the protective cover. 4 screws are used in total. Fix the exhaust fan cable along the left side to the front stop. Fix the top cover and the top rear cover with screws. Connect the top rear cover, the 2 side panels and the rear panel with screws. 5 screws are needed. Connect the 2 connectors of the side panel to the upper cover with screws. Lift the machine and fix the cable at the buckle. Put the protective cover on the machine. The limit switch should be in the triggered state pressed. Open the protective cover, and tighten the screws at the 2 screw holes on the front and back to fix the machine and the protective cover. Plug the fan cable into the fan port. Use the rolling tape to secure the bottom left cable, minus the excess. Adjust the protective cover to ensure that the limit switch is pressed. When the protective cover is closed,